Hello, my name is Vincent Creel, Public Affairs Manager for the City of Biloxi, here to deliver today's report for Monday, February 1st, 2021. We'll have a preview of the City Council meeting coming up on Tuesday night. We'll have the COVID-19 report and the latest on vaccinations, and we'll have a preview of the February lineup, which made its debut today on BTV. But we begin with rail crossings in Biloxi. A week from today, on Monday, February 8th, the CSX rail crossings will be closed permanently at Dories and Nixon Streets in East Biloxi. This comes as a new connector road between Oak and Dories will be wrapping up soon. There still has been no solution, by the way, regarding the crossing at Main Street. That's because of the steep access of the crossing and traffic standards. The message is that it remains closed to 18-wheelers, RVs, and buses. Here's today's COVID-19 report and vaccination information.
Today, the Mississippi State Department of Health reports 705 new cases of the coronavirus statewide and more than 3,000 since Friday. Sadly, 11 new deaths were reported today, making the state total since mid-March more than 6,000. This chart shows the total number of positive tests statewide since the crisis began and the number of COVID-19 related deaths statewide. This chart shows the 14-day track on cases statewide. In Harrison County today, the State Department reports 56 new cases of the virus in the last 24 hours, making the county total more than 15,000 since mid-March. 223 COVID-19 deaths have now been reported in Harrison County since all this began in mid-March. Here is the 14-day chart for Harrison County. The State Department reports that as of January the 29th, there are now less than 1,000 coronavirus patients in hospitals statewide. Of those, 108 patients are in coast hospitals, and 28 of those patients are in the intensive care unit. The department also reports that as of January the 24th, more than 200,000 are presumed to have recovered from COVID-19. As for the vaccinations, you can visit the city's website at biloxi.ms.us and click on the COVID page. There, you can see links to the State Department's free vaccination drive-through locations, as well as state vaccination information listing who is currently eligible for the vaccination, and the Mississippi COVID-19 hotline assistance number, which is 877-978-6453. The State Department of Health has announced that beginning today, it is no longer asking people who have received the vaccine to wait 2 weeks to schedule an appointment for the second dose. Residents can make a second dose appointment for one of the state's drive-through vaccination sites immediately after receiving the first dose. The State Department's website states that vaccinations are in high demand and appointments may not be available in all sites, including the Mississippi Coast Coliseum, which is a drive-through vaccination site in Harrison County. But another shipment of doses is expected to be received this week. Vaccinated or not, it is advised to still follow all safety guidelines and protocols, such as wearing a face mask, washing your hands often, avoid social gatherings, and stay home if you feel sick. Please do your part to help stop the spread and possibly save lives.
Members of the Biloxi City Council will gather Tuesday at 6 p.m. at City Hall for their first meeting of the month. Among the items on the agenda are a measure to receive nearly $650,000 from the state for citywide paving work. There's also a measure to conduct a study of traffic on Point Cadet. The study will look at the feasibility of an off-ramp from the Biloxi Bay Bridge down to Howard Avenue. The study also will look at extending Back Bay Boulevard from Oak Street all the way down to Highway 90 in the vicinity of Pine Street. You can see the entire agenda for the City Council meeting on the city website right now. And on Tuesday night, you can watch the meeting as it happens by clicking on the live button on the front page of the city's website. The meeting will be replayed on BTV Tuesday night at 9, and it will also be on the city's YouTube page. And speaking of BTV, We leave you today with a preview of the special programs airing on the city's municipal TV channel in the month of February. The new schedule made its debut today. Enjoy, stay safe, and we'll see you again Friday. Here's a quick look at what's on BTV in February. It's all airing every day throughout the month. Sparklight 56 or UVerse 99 in Biloxi or worldwide on the city's website, where you can also find this month's program guide. February is Black History Month, and you'll find two programs, City Within a City and a brand new offering, City Within a City Part 2. You'll also find new versions of Biloxi Cooks and a new collection of children's stories from Gumbo Kelly. And even though the Mardi Gras parades are not rolling in Biloxi this year, we take a look back at all of the parades from 2020 before the pandemic began. Mayor Andrew Fofo Gillich will deliver this year's State of the City presentation on February 11th at 8 p.m. on BTV. Of course, the cornerstone of the BTV lineup each day and each month are the replays of Biloxi City Council meetings. It's a chance to hear directly from the mayor and the city council and watch as policy is made. Now, how can you watch all of this? It's on Sparklight Channel 56 or UVerse 99 in Biloxi, or you can see it anywhere on the city's website. The monthly program guide is in the city newsletter mailed each month, or you can see it on the city website. Just click on the BTV button at the top right. Enjoy.